Hey, what's going on, guys? Joseph White here, and you're watching another J-Dub Twins video. Today we're going to be talking about whether or not the 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body is a good daily driver. Well, seeing as though that I sold my 2014 Audi A4, this is now my only vehicle, so I have to daily drive it. Which isn't a problem because honestly, let's be real, ever since I bought my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body, I've pretty much been driving it every day. But let's look into the three things that I consider some of the most important qualities to look at when considering a daily driving car. And this can be debatable. I'm merely providing a perspective, so don't get upset if you don't agree with me. So the three things that I consider are the looks, the drivability, and I'll go into a little more detail about what I mean by that, and then the gas mileage. So the looks, right? Come on. Being that you're going to be daily driving a vehicle every day, you're going to have to look at it every day. Why not get a vehicle that you can look at and just be so happy and proud to be able to drive it every day? Every single time I park this car, I look back at it about 3 or 4 times because of just how sexy and mean this car looks. Honestly, I feel like if you're not doing that with your own car, you really need to consider whether or not the car that you have is truly what you want. So for me, this is a double thumbs up as far as, considering whether or not I want to have this as a daily driver. When it comes to the looks, I'm too happy about it. So drivability is going to cover a wide range of things, but let me just kind of bundle it all up into what my perspective is on its drivability. So if you're going to be driving a vehicle daily, you want it to be a comfortable ride, you want it to be a vehicle that's easy to drive. With this ZF 8-speed automatic, the car drives itself, it chooses the gears. Not to mention we have the SRT dashboard that gives us all of our SRT mode drive settings. And we can make this car as comfortable as we want. We can make it as uncomfortable as we want it by going into the track modes, right? So literally, at the tip of our fingers, we can choose how comfortable we want this ride to be. Not to mention, these seats are soft, yet they have good bolstering to support me. We even have the electronic lumbar support options available to me. So it makes it a very comfortable ride as far as sitting in it and, driving it, as well as it feels very comfortable on the road when you have the transmission, traction, suspension, and steering in its street modes. Not to mention the Harman Kardon sound system is a lot of fun to listen to as I drive. Listening to music is something you're definitely going to be doing as you daily drive a vehicle, and it just enhances the experience that much more. Number 3, let's talk about the gas mileage. So obviously this is a V8, 485 horsepower, 392 cubic inches engine that's going to put out a lot of power. Also, it's going to drink a lot of gas. But I've been told that this car is capable of getting at least 25 to 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Most of my driving has been done in town, a lot of stop and go. The best I've been able to do, at least after driving it for a week in eco mode, is around between 13 to 14 miles per gallon. So honestly, I think, as far as whether that's a good quality in a daily driver, probably not, right? At least though, I feel like the car makes up for it in the other 2 departments. So overall, does this answer the question, is the 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body a good daily driver? Honestly, I think it is. For one, I don't have a choice anymore. I have to daily drive this thing, so I have to make the best out of the situation. But 2, I think this is a very great situation. I love this car, I love to drive it, I love to take it out. I get so many compliments every time I take the car out. I know that it's not about other people, it's about me, but honestly, it's a confidence booster, It makes good conversation, and really it just puts off a wonderful vibe that I don't mind experiencing every day, and I have been so far since driving this thing. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I want to do a quick video for you guys. If you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe, hit the subscribe button, continue to support the channel, and stay tuned for the next J-Dub Twins video.